So in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can add or subtract two fractions with different denominators together. In order to be able to subtract these two fractions, we need to first of all convert this into an equivalent problem where the denominators are exactly the same. In order to make the denominators the same, we are after the lowest common multiple of 8 and 9. The lowest number in the 8 and 9 times table that is common to both is 72. This means that for the first fraction, I'm timesing the denominator by 9. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 7 times 9 is 63. For the second fraction, I multiply the denominator by 8, and whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top to keep it equivalent. That means the numerator is now 40. When we have the same denominator, all we do is we operate with the numerator. 63 take away 40 is 23, and this is over 72. Always double check that you can't simplify the answer anymore. 23 is a prime number that doesn't go into 72, and therefore we can stop. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready to see the answer, press play. So converting this problem into an equivalent problem where the denominators are the same, the lowest common multiple of 7 and 8 is 56. This means that I'm timesing the first denominator by 8 and the numerator by 8 too. This gives me 32. Timesing the second denominator by 7 and the numerator by 7 gives me 21 over 56. Now purely operating with the numerators, 32 add 21 all over 56 would simplify to give 53 over 56. This fraction can't be simplified, so we can stop.